No. Because they're very friendly. They're gonna just sort of.
That's okay.
Want their attention on you.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Let me jump up there so you can.
Yeah, I tried to. Stupid thing is, a pair of glasses went down the toilet.
Oh yeah.
And then
Pull any of those out. They don't work. Fortunately, they're probably not going to work.
I have extra pairs. You know, since last night it's been slow going.
Let's get a new trash bag.
They have prescription glasses, but I got like 3 pairs of them.
All right.
So. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Get in there. Get in. Get in. Come on, boys. Get in.
Hi, sweetie. Hello. Hello. Yeah, he looks.
That's Brady. You can guess who he's named after.
He looks like mine. My old one.
Yeah, and that one, the other one's Benji, and he's mine. This is a Jack Russell. Not Jack Russell.
Hi.
Rat Terrier. Hey.
I gotta be able to walk, guys, and then I'll pet you.
Nope. Out. Brady, get over here. Get out of there. Brady, come on, over here.
Got him.
Did you?
Got him.
I'm sure they're bent.
Well, I got the frames.
I got it.
Oh yeah, they're bent.
I think they're more than bent. They're mangled.
That's all right. That's not. I'm just more concerned because they went in yesterday afternoon and everything just. And I tried sort of doing what you guys did, but.
Our auger has a hook on it. Yeah, yours has a spring. Ours has the hook on it. That's how we're able to use these.
That's all I thought. Oh, you two, stop. Oh my God.
We gotta go the other way. We might have to cut it out.
Just break them off.
I'm trying to open this up a little bit.
Yeah, I guess they did get me.
Yeah, they got all twisted around in there.
Take it, the glass didn't come out
That
like
way.
that.
No,
Oh, shit.
they should float down.
Are there traps in these toilets?
Yes.
So I thought.
It's not a trap like under your sink.
Yeah,
Hey, this is dripping.
that's all right. I can. That's.
You want it back?
And,
You didn't bring the bag in?
No, I gotta get a new bag. I'm gonna get a new bag and some paper towels.
This wasn't the culprit this time.
flushing only now?
Yep. I'm gonna test it with some toilet paper.
Okay. Yep.
Let's get this out.
Look at that.
Use that first. He's coming in with some paper towels. But...
Yeah. Come on, cat. Let's go. Oh. Much better. Holy crap, much better.
Just test it one more time.
Yep. Brady out. It's yuccas. Stop it. Hey. Mouth. This is like I do every day while I'm working.
The barking?
The barking, they want their treats, they want attention, and they fight each other for attention. Brady, no. Not yet.
Put a good amount.
Not yet.
Test, make sure
What?
that there's no onesies in there. The onesies probably flushed through. You should be fine. Are you on city sewer here?
Yeah.
You should be fine.
All right.
Beautiful.
That
You're all
sounds
set.
200% better than it did. Get over, Brady, get over
All
here.
right. So I'll go out and get the book and I'll be right back in. And then I'll pet the puppies.
Yeah, they're coming. Jesus.
Hold on, hold on.